Hello everyone, thank you guys for tuning in to our channel today. Today's video request is how to use Canva for Facebook. So there are actually a lot of things you can do in Canva, depending on what purposes you'd like to use it for Facebook. But in today's video, we're going to talk about the three most popular ones. The first one is to create a Facebook cover. The second one is to create a Facebook frame. And the third one is to create Facebook posts. So let's get started. First, we're going to talk about how to create a Facebook cover. So on the search bar, we're going to type in Facebook cover. And we're going to click on See All to view all the templates they have for this document type or this design format. So we're going to scroll down and choose a lovely design template right here that we can use. I think this is nice. So I'm going to click on it and click on Customize this template. Okay, so here we are. In case you change your design or change your template, just go to the side panel over here and select another template that you want to use. I think this one's nice, but I think I found this one really cute as well. So, okay, we're going to decide which one to keep. For now, I'm going to close the side panel because I think I'm quite happy with these templates right now. And, well, I think this is a lovely design, but I guess, yeah, if I were to choose, I'm going to stick with the first one. Oops. So you can edit your design however you want to. You can change the background color. So go to this button right here and change it to any color of your choice. As for me, I'd like to go with something, yeah, that one perhaps. And in case you'd like to incorporate your very own photos to your design, then go to the Upload section on the sidebar and then upload your files first. Click on Upload Files. And then select the files that you want to upload. In case you'd like to upload multiple files at the same time, long press the Control button on your keyboard and continue highlighting the other photos that you want to upload. Once you finish highlighting everything you want to upload, click on Open and they'll be uploaded right over here. Once they finish uploading, you can drag them onto your design, just like that. I don't have any other photos that I can use, so yeah, we're just gonna pretend that we've finished putting our photos here. And for the text, you can input any text you want here. You can also change your font if you want to. So click on your text and go to this font selection bar right over here and select any other fonts that you might want to use on your text. You can also use the search bar to look for specific fonts, or you can click these preset buttons here to filter the things that you need. So in this case, handwriting, all of the fonts that will show on the results will be handwriting fonts. So something like that. But I think I'm quite happy with this font right here, so I'll keep it that way. And this font too, it's, I think, pretty nice. If you want to find out how this font has its characters, if you want to find out how this text has its characters a bit far apart from each other, then it's done by clicking the spacing button on the toolbar above. And as you can see, the letter spacing is set to maximum. If you adjust it, you'll be able to adjust the spacing. Line spacing works if you have two or more lines, and if you adjust this, the more you slide to the right, the farther your lines will be, or your sentences will be from each other. And if you like to add some elements, you can also do so. Just go to the Elements section and add any decorative elements you want to add to your design. Flowers, for example. I'm going to go to Graphics and select lovely flower graphics here that we could use on our design to make it look even prettier. This one, for example. I'm going to put that over here. Perhaps resize it a bit. And yeah, do something like that, I guess. Perhaps it should go here. And then perhaps we could put this one right over here. All right, and that's it. So we've finished creating our simple Facebook cover. I'm just going to delete this one. I don't think we're going to need that anymore. So once you're done, you just go to Share, then click on Download. Make sure to select PNG as your file type. And if you like, you can also adjust these download settings over here depending on your preferences. And once everything's all set, click on Download. And your new Facebook cover page will be downloaded and you'll be able to use it on your Facebook account. All right, let's talk about the next one. Let's go back to Canva's homepage. And the next one is creating a Facebook frame. Once again, we're going to go to the search bar and we're going to type in Facebook frame. We're going to click on See All to view template options. Let's scroll down and see what awesome frame templates we can find. I think this one's pretty fun and pretty unique, so we're going to use this one. We're going to click on it, and we're going to click on Customize this template. Okay, and here we are. So we're going to insert our very own photo onto the frame. Let's try to do that. We're going to use the same photo we uploaded earlier, and we're going to drag it onto the frame just like that. All right, and we're going to edit it however we want to. We're going to change the color and change the color of our elements as well. And we're going to change our font. I think it's really difficult to see our text, so perhaps we should change our font color. So let's go to the text color button here and select a much darker text, or perhaps a lighter one, and then we could add effects to it by going to the Effects button. Maybe we can add a shadow and change the color of our shadow to black. Yeah, I think it looks nice. But I'd like to try outline. Change the font, the outline color to something darker, like that, perhaps. And yeah, I think it looks really nice. And if you like, you can keep on adding elements. So we're going to go to the Elements section, and we're going to type in sun. That's the element that I want to use. So this one's pretty nice. We're going to place that over here and change its color to, how about that? Let's duplicate it, put it here, put it here. Okay, I think it looks really lovely. And once you're happy with it, you can finally download it. So go to the Share button, go to Download again, select PNG as your file type, and adjust other download settings according to your preferences, and click on Download. And you're good to go. All right, let's go back to our homepage again. And we're going to talk about the last option. So that is creating Facebook posts. All right, so instead of typing Facebook frame on the search bar, we're going to type in Facebook post. And we're going to click on See All once again. We'll be able to choose from many templates that they have so that it'll be easier to edit instead of starting from scratch. Yeah. Let's see. Let's try to choose a nice template here. What about this one? We're going to click on it and click on Customize this template. Okay, so here we are. And you can edit it however you want to, just as always. I'd like to change our background color to something similar to this one. So maybe I'll just, yeah, I'm going to click on this background color button and select a nice color here. Perhaps, yeah, perhaps that one. It looks really lovely. And for the text, I'd like to change it. Input any text you want to input there. I'm going to do something like that. And I think this has the lift effect over here, but we're going to take care of that later. First, I'd like to change our font. So I'm going to type in here cursive again. I'd like to use a cursive font. This one looks really lovely, so I guess this is the one that I'd like to use. I'm going to change the color of our text right here to something darker. So what about that? Yeah, and I'd like to remove the text effect for this. I'd like to keep it plain, so I'm going to click on Effects and click on None. That here, and now we're going to insert our photos onto our frame. So I'm going to go to Uploads again. Select any photo you want to use, and then put the photo over here. I don't think we can do that. Maybe because we have these elements locked. Oh, okay. So those aren't actually frame elements. No worries. We can still do something about it. Let's insert our photo here and place this on top. Let's zoom in to make sure we're not missing anything. And yeah, I think it worked just fine. We're gonna do the same thing. I'm just gonna move this shadow for a bit. And then I'm going to put this other photo over here and position our frame over here. Okay, I'm gonna move our shadow back. And there we go. I'd like to change the color of this element to white, but you can do whatever you want. I'd like to duplicate this and send the other one over here, I think. And position to back. And we're done. We're gonna save it now. So to do that, just as always, you can go to the Share button, go to Download, make sure to select PNG as your file type, check other download settings and edit them according to your preference, and click on Download. And there you have it. Those are the things you can do in Canva for Facebook. Or in other words, that's how you can use Canva for Facebook. So that's it for today. We hope you found today's video of help somehow. Thank you guys so much for watching. We look forward to seeing you again in the next video. You guys have a great day.